Number 27, rigatoni, with the use of pounds. We turn that into pasta. Okay, preheat your oven to 405 degrees. Not 400, 405 degrees. It's important. What happened to the milk? Well, it evaporated. White, sharp cheddar cheese. There you go. 2 pounds. 2 pounds. 2 pounds. White, sharp cheddar cheese. It's white, it's sharp, and it's cheddar. Not cheddar. If it's in New England, it's cheddar. White, sharp cheddar. White, sharp cheddar. Alright, 2 pounds of white, sharp cheddar cheese. 1/4 pound of butter. I got sweet cream butter, salted. 1/4 pound. Sweet cream butter. Butter salted. That's New England butter. It's not butter, it's butter. Sweet cream butter salted. A stick. It's a stick of butter. Well, that's some boiling water. Let's add a little pasta. Yeah. Oh, hot. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. I got splattered. Oh, splattered by boiling water. Oh. Yeah, you gotta add some salt. Just a bit. There you go. Okay. Open the package here. So we got the cheese. More glinting somehow. There we go. There's the glinting. So we have the cheese. We gotta cut that. Oh, wait. That's what we'll do it. Alright. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. We have chopped up the 2 pounds of incredibly sharp. We're going to lay this onto the macaroni in strips. They said this cheese was sharp, but I had no idea. Sharp, extra sharp cheddar. Alright, we're ready to lay that in. We're going to take pasta, lay it out. You want to leave some. Cover the base right there. We still got a little left. So we'll put that on. We're going to place a layer of cheese. Right. Get in there. All right. There. There's the pasta in there. There we go. And we'll put our cheese on. All that. Alright, this is what we got before it goes into the oven. You need some evaporated milk. This is to keep it from drying out too much. And you just take that and just give it. Just try to spread it around, let the noodles absorb a little bit of it. And there we are. Put this in the oven and we're going to check on it periodically. Baked mac and cheese. But you know what, now that I'm thinking about it, we're going to do a bonus topping. I'm going to get some Parmesan cheese on there. A little Parmesan at the top. There we go. Done. Now it's ready to go in the oven. Ooh. So yeah, so it's been 40 minutes. And we're ready to give this a go. Baked macaroni and cheese. Take a look here. pepper, and we're good. Baked macaroni and cheese, Mom's recipe. Thanks for watching Cooking with Kevin. Bark, 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 bark. Okay, side quest. I'm going to make some red velvet cake. Got my bowl here, cup of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. 3 eggs. Just 3. A cup of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, half a cup. Water and oil. I gotta beat this for 2 minutes, vigorously. I don't know if this is vigorous enough. It's got a beat you can dance to. Ow. There we are. Alright, you got that. So, in case you didn't forget, we got a cake here. Its oven is set to 350 degrees. So this is kind of cool. You just pick it up and you're good to go. Isn't that neat? You get yourself a cake. And I undercooked the cake. That's some sharp cheese. Son of a...